Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to share your Figma designs but wanted a bit more control over who can actually view them, this is for you. Whether you're sending work to clients, collaborating with a team, or handling sensitive freelance projects, adding a layer of protection can go a long way. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to export your Figma designs as password-protected PDFs using a plugin, step by step. Let's get into it. First things first, open up Figma and jump into your workspace. Once you're in, head over to the Templates and Tools or Community section. This is where all Figma plugins live. In the search bar, type Crypto Password Protection. Give it a second and you should see the plugin show up in the results. Go ahead and click into it, then hit Install. If you've installed plugins before, this will feel very familiar. It only takes a few seconds. Once that's done, open the file you want to protect. This could be anything, a client presentation, a prototype, or even a single screen you want to share. Before we use the plugin, there's one quick but important step. Check your sharing settings. Click the Share button in the top right corner. Make sure the link is set to Can View instead of Edit Access. This keeps your original file safe while still allowing others to view it if needed. You can also copy that link now if you plan to send it alongside your PDF. Now, let's actually use the plugin. Right-click anywhere on your canvas, go to Plugins, and select Crypto Password Protection. The plugin window should open pretty quickly. Here's where you decide what exactly you want to export. You don't need to export your entire file. You can just select a single frame if that's all you need. This is really useful when you only want to share a final screen or a specific part of your design. Inside the plugin, look for the Export options and choose Password Protected PDF. This tells the plugin to generate a PDF that requires a password to open. Next, click Export PDF and you'll be prompted to enter a password. Choose something secure, not something obvious like 1234. Think of it like a lock for your design file. Only people with that password will be able to open it. Before you finalize the export, check a couple of settings if they're available. Set the resolution to 300 dpi for high-quality output. Enable options like vector paths or gradients if you want your design to stay crisp. These settings help ensure your PDF looks professional, whether it's viewed on screen or printed. Once everything looks good, hit Export PDF. In just a moment, your file will be ready, fully password protected and ready to share. Now you can send that PDF to your client or team and separately share the password. That extra step gives you more control and peace of mind, especially when working with sensitive or paid work. One quick thing to keep in mind, this method protects the exported PDF, not the live Figma file itself. So if you need tighter control, always double-check your sharing permissions inside Figma as well. And that's it. You've just added an extra layer of security to your Figma workflow without any complicated setup. If you found this helpful, give it a like. Got questions or want more tips on Figma plugins and workflows? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.